Alrighty guys, in today's video with FabriCAM, we're going to be looking at how to move shapes and parts to edges using the secondary toolbar. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're heading into the program here. Now, like I mentioned, today's video, we're going to be looking at moving things to edges, and that will be a tool located on our actual secondary toolbar here. So if I have a shape selected, you can see over here we have our tool available, and then next to it we've got this move or no move to end, and then if we click this, we've got move to end. By default, it is on no move to end, so we'll be covering that first. So now, once again, it is important, make sure you have a shape selected, and then otherwise that's not going to work. The actual, I'm not sure what happened there, let me just undo this. Okay, so now the first option we have here is we can select this, and we can simply click this one right. If we hover over them, we can see it gives a little tool tip at the bottom. It says left, right, it should be top and down. So now if I click right here, you will see it flips it to the shape, which is quite convenient. And then keep in mind, it does also work with multiple shapes. So if I select or make a selection box over both these, I can do the same thing and flip it to the right again. Now we've got all of them together, so we can easily align things to edges like that. Let me undo this, and then the next option we have here is the actual outer edges. So we can, for instance, let me flip this one to the bottom edge there. As you can see, I can flip this one maybe to the top and then right. I'll select this one, make sure you select off a shape, otherwise, as you can see, we've got both shapes selected. So now when we're flipping, we will try flip both of them at the same time. So now what I'm going to do is select this one, I'll tuck it in here under that shape. You can even take it to the top. So if you want the wastage space to be at the bottom, then I'm going to select this shape, and then you can either go to the top or to the bottom to round off that. So I'm leave it at the top. So this is a great way to also quickly align things to edges so that we don't use up the whole cutting sheet. So now you can see we're saving a lot of space here as to the original where we just have everything randomly on the plane or on the cutting sheet here. So it's a great tool to save space if you want, and you can flip things right to an edge. But if you manually try to put on that edge, sometimes it can be very difficult. If you get just too close, it flips it back to its original position. If I click this, flip it there, and you can see I'll go as close as possible without resetting the shape. But yeah, otherwise that is it on flipping things to edges or sticking them to an edge using the secondary toolbar. Otherwise, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.